The police force is working to stem the incidence of crime and violence in Western Jamaica with the establishment of operational and quick response support to its troops stationed there. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson shared some plans during a virtual press conference on Tuesday.
Western Jamaica is the area where we're seeing, not only in St. James, but also in Westmoreland. So we're really seeing it down there. It is what is accounting for our increase. To that extent, we are developing an operational support team at the area level, quite a strong team that is scheduled to join them down there to increase their capacity to mount an operational response. And at the moment, we have another set of officers going through quick response motorcycle training to shore up there and other places across the country.
The police commissioner says the main source of funding for criminal gangs comes from drug trafficking, lottery scamming and extortion. He says they have increased collaboration with FID, Customs and the Jamaica Defence Force as well as international partners. Just last week, the police seized thousands of US and Canadian dollars linked to narcotics.
During the operation, a vehicle was intercepted and upon search, cocaine weighing 11 kilos with a street value of Jamaican $88 million was found. One person remains in custody and the interview process continues as part of the investigation.
The JCF head says the seizure is as a result of diligent police work.
It was one of the largest seizures in our policing history, and I can assure you that while others may not be as large, there will be more.